The chocolate tempering machine by Hilliards. Hilliards nicknamed this compact chocolate tempering machine Little Dipper. Its claim to fame is that it can easily produce 25 pounds of tempered chocolate per day, and no tools are required to remove, replace, or clean parts other than the bowl when starting with a new batch of chocolate. Little Dipper works as a warmer, melter, and tempering machine and uses a digital high-low one-touch temperature control within 1 degree. For small batches and test market trials, this mighty but tiny chocolate tempering machine needs little maintenance and is constructed of high-quality solid stainless steel. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the chocolate tempering Little Dipper machine by Hilliards weighs 45 pounds, measures 16 by 16 by 17 inches, plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, and uses 400 watts of power. Now for some pros. It's compact and dependable. It has a full 1-year warranty. It tempers up to 25 pounds of chocolate per day. Now for some cons. It's not for large tempering production, and it's more expensive than full-size tempering machines.